Where to find virtual assistants for property management companies? Property managers handle legal compliance, budgeting, tenant issues, and maintenance, tasks that can be overwhelming. According to the National Apartment Association, major challenges include difficult tenants, mental stress, and workload management. To ease these struggles, real estate businesses can hire virtual assistants, VAs, for property management. Benefits of hiring a property management virtual assistant. A property management VA specializes in handling administrative tasks, tenant communication, and marketing, allowing property managers to focus on higher priority responsibilities. 1. Administrative efficiency. A VA can automate tasks such as rent collection, lease renewals, and maintenance requests using property management software, improving efficiency and tenant satisfaction. 2. Better customer service. VAs manage tenant queries and complaints, ensuring seamless communication across multiple channels. They also provide after-hours support and create response templates to enhance service quality. 3. Real-time support. Hiring a VA from a different time zone allows for round-the-clock support. Many real estate businesses hire skilled VAs from the Philippines, benefiting from cost-effective, high-quality services. 4. Lower costs and flexibility. Outsourcing VAs reduces overhead costs associated with full-time employees, such as office space, equipment, and benefits. Additionally, businesses can hire VAs on a project or seasonal basis, scaling their team as needed. 10 best places to hire a virtual assistant for property management. 1. KDCI Outsourcing. A leading outsourcing firm in the Philippines that screens, trains, and provides property management VAs with expertise in tenant relations, data entry, and lease management. 2. Bruntwork. Known for high-quality outsourcing at lower costs, Bruntwork offers VAs trained in Western communication and cultural norms, ensuring seamless integration with your team. 3. Property management virtual assistants. A platform dedicated to property management VAs, providing trained professionals in digital marketing, sales, and tenant relations. 4. VPM Solutions. A flexible job platform where businesses can post job listings or use talent match technology to find the best suited VAs without extra platform fees. 5. Riva Global. Specializes in Filipino VAs trained for U.S. property management tasks, including lease renewals, lead generation, and utility coordination. 6. Anequim. A Mexican-based VA platform that provides bilingual professionals for property management businesses in the U.S. and Canada. Services include budget preparation, scheduling, and maintenance coordination. 7. 24/7 VA. A global VA platform offering administrative, marketing, and real estate-specific virtual assistant services. 8. Remote Coworker. Provides PCI DSS and HIPAA-compliant VAs for real estate businesses. An account manager oversees VA performance, ensuring quality service. 9. Shore Agents. A real estate-focused outsourcing company offering services like property advertising, tenant screening, and lease management. 10. Virtudesk. A tech-driven VA provider specializing in property management, offering customer service, marketing, and administrative support. Find the right virtual assistant today. Beyond these top companies, you can also explore Upwork, Fiverr, OnlineJobs.ph, and LinkedIn for potential hires. KDCI Outsourcing simplifies the hiring process by sourcing and screening the best VAs for your property management business. Contact us today for a discovery call and start building your ideal VA team.